Welcome. If you've ever wanted a little more peace and quiet on Pinterest, today I'm going to show you exactly how to disable messages from your friends on Pinterest using your PC with the latest update. Whether you're looking to minimize distractions or just want more control over your notifications, this quick guide will help you out. First, let's get started by opening Pinterest from your browser. Simply go to pinterest.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home feed, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find Settings and give it a click. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll see several different sections. What you're looking for is Social Permissions. Click on that to open up the social settings for your account. This is where you can control who can interact with you and how. Next, find the section labeled Messages. Here you'll see the option to manage who can send you messages. Look for the line that says Friends and click on the Edit button next to it. This is where you can change your message delivery preferences. A small menu will pop up with a few different options. To stop receiving messages from your friends, select Don't Deliver. This setting means that messages from your friends won't show up in your inbox anymore, giving you that extra bit of privacy and focus. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to click Save to confirm your new settings. And that's it. You've successfully disabled messages from your friends on Pinterest. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to these settings and adjust them as needed. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you next time.